Hi, this is Kevin with KGMGM, owner of ProAdvertisersClub, a totally free site to advertise. Go to ProAdvertisersClub.com, join for free today, and start advertising for free. Okay, apologize for yesterday's video. I don't think there's any sound on it. I didn't realize that till just now when I was checking on something. I haven't had that problem before, so I will double check next time. I don't know what went wrong, but it seems to be working now. I think I had my microphone turned up, and if it's up far enough, it doesn't record. It's like a mute, an automatic mute. So that might have been what the problem was. But anyway, here we are on day 47. Uh, these are the rules that I'm using for my personal $10,000 challenge. I'm trying to get to $10,000 by January 22nd or January 2nd of 22. Okay. This has nothing to do with Splinterlands. I'm doing this all on my own. Okay, this is not financial advice. Listen to me at your own risk. This is for entertainment purposes only. And the reason I'm doing this is I want a daily record, when possible, of how I get to that point if I ever do. I might do better, I might do worse, but you're going to be able to see how I do it, how you can make money on this platform, and how you can also. I actually started out about the money, and then I've fallen in love with the game. And it's being a Yu-Gi-Oh player when I was growing up, it's just exactly what that is. But if you ever did Yu-Gi-Oh, it's a lot better because you can make money. I've been playing video games all my life, and if I could make money the whole time I was playing, I would be sitting around a pool right now. Okay. Now I hear a bunch of complaints. People, they don't like that aspect that you can make money online. So I don't understand that at all. You can play this game for free. You don't have to unlock the money side making of it. You can just play it and have fun. But that's the power of the NFTs, is that, and every single card here is an NFT, and they're also a collectible, and they will go up in value. Why will they go up in value? Because the way it's designed is, say they put out a certain mint number, which they do, and when that mint numbers, when they're all out in circulation, there's no more. But you can take the cards, combine them, and make more powerful cards to a max, and then you burn those cards. Those cards are gone forever. So every day, every minute of every day, these cards are getting more and more rare. And they've been doing this for 3 years, and the early cards are almost worth $1 million. I mean, it's an incredible system. It really is. And so yeah, I understand some, like the old school, like, oh no, it's all about the money now. You know what? It can be both. You can have fun playing a game and make money. That's what nobody's really caught on mainstream yet, is that you can have fun and make money at the same time. Why not? So anyway, that's my little rant about that. Day 47. I'm buying my 60th pack. But anyway, it's I already added it in. This is what I've invested in my own money. Okay. I started doing this on the 7th, a month after I started. And this is what the account's worth right now. Now it fluctuates. And like the number of cards I got, I've only got 109, but that's because I've kind of changed my strategy to where I'm buying and selling certain cards. So I need less. And then I'm combining a lot of cards, and then I'm renting them out. So when I rent them out, I'm making money that way, and I get to keep the cards. Okay. It's like you own property, you rent it out, and as the value goes up on the land, you still own it, but in the meantime, you're making passive income off it. Okay. Here's the PowerPoints. They add up all the power of your cards, and then that's what they go by on this, the SPS, which is Splinterlands Shards. Okay. That is a crypto token. It's listed, and it fluctuates it's 15 cents right now. It was a quarter when I got in January. It dropped 10 cents, but so did everything else in the market. If you've been around, you know that. So it will come back up. Yesterday, I had a little bit of a problem. I claimed my airdrop tokens, which is about 7 of them, and it never went into my account. It just didn't even register that I took them, but they disappeared. So I got a support ticket issued. I'm going to find out. I'll let you know what happened with that. But if I was to cash out today, I would walk away after paying myself back $430. Okay, and I'm only into it for a month, so not bad. As the longer I go and I increase everything, and the value of the market comes back, and the cards get less, because I got a lot of the new cards, not the old cards. The old cards, some of them are out of reach, but the new cards are relatively inexpensive. So, but as I'm burning them, and as other people are burning them, they're getting more and more expensive. So this number should, I really don't see a problem in reaching 10,000 by the end of the year. I really don't. So anyway, let's every day you do a quest. You got to win 5 battles. They don't have to be in a row, and they give you a chest. And depending on your rating, okay, I'm kind of low. I got the hell beat out of me the last day. They do a season 12 to 15 days, and at the end of the season, everybody's renting and buying because the higher you are, the more rewards you get. And these rewards have packs in them. Depending on what level you are, they have cards, gold cards, credits, DEC, which is these right here. That's an in-house crypto. Um, but then after the season, everybody starts back to zero, and all the big guys are down here just knocking the hell out of us. And so I'm having a hard time. But towards the middle of the season, I'll start winning more battles, and I'm building myself up too. So let's go ahead and claim a reward and open a pack. And that way, if you don't want to see the rest of how you make money, which is why I show it the second half, you can take off. But I don't need to be buying packs. I can do what I'm doing without it. But everybody likes to watch people open packs. I like to open packs. So I'm going to open a pack a day, kind of make it kind of worth, maybe showing up and watching to see what I get. And let's go ahead and do the first claim reward. The platform had some problems yesterday. It didn't go down, but some things weren't working right. That might have been why the SPS thing. Okay, so I got 6 credits. So that goes into my total, which it doesn't look like it did. Huh. I'll have to check that out. Okay. So let's go to the shop and go to my pack. There are about a dozen ways to make money, probably more on this platform, all while you're playing the game. It's like a game plus slash investment mix type thing. Okay, let's buy. You can only buy packs with credits, and you got to use a credit card for that. Okay. Now I bought it, and I don't have any potions. You get potions out of the chest too, and if you got one like this one, it doubles the chance for a legendary card, and it this one doubles the chance for a gold. But I don't have. I want to pack every day, so I'm just going to have to open it without it. I got my best card ever out of a pack, a legendary gold, and it's worth anywhere from $150 to $1,800, depending on what's going on that day. Uh, so you don't, and I had no potions, so you don't necessarily have to have potions. Here you get you get 5 cards. You're guaranteed at least a rare, and it's usually this one down here. So we'll see. And then what I do is I combine the cards, depending on what cards I use. Okay, that's a rare. And so I got 2 rares, not bad. This guy is a summoner. This is a great card to have. All summoners are good. They only go up in value big time because you have to have one. And they have one or per each label. Like this is life, and yeah. So that's a good pack. I got my money back easy. Plus these will go up in value. Okay, so now that's it for the fun stuff. So now let's go look at. See, I can go here and go to my balance history and go to my credits and see if they added. And yeah, it did add. I was mistaken. That's on me. It did add right there. I was at 307. I thought I was at 313. So okay, that was on me. Um, so anyway, I've already showed you some ways to make money, but you can buy the cards and sell them. They're always going up in value. Here's the market right here, and some cards are especially the new ones, are like 3 cents a piece. The commons, it takes 400 of them to max it out. So that means you're going to have to buy 400 cards at 3 cents a piece if you can find them, because sometimes they go up in value. And then you're burning 400 cards at a time. So even those, they start off, there's a million of them. These are reward cards and the new Chaos Legion. But the point I'm making is, even at a million cards, there can only ever be at 400 cards of max level, 2,500 max level cards. There's 400,000 plus daily players, over 100 different countries. Number one country is Philippines. Number two is the United States. Pretty much neck and neck. But the point I'm pointing out is, all this number will do is, once they retire them, is max the mint, or mint out the max, they will go down in numbers. And so that's, if you just buy the card to collect them, they will go up in value. You'll make money that way. If you buy and sell, you can flip them, make money that way. So let's see what. Let's go to a summoning card, okay? And let's go to the rare is the lowest they go. All right. Now here's the new ones that came out. Like the one I just got, that's $2.85. Right. There's only 42,000 of them. But once you get to the previous ones that are retired, in other words, they're not making any more, the price starts to go up. Okay. And they start to go up and up. Now it takes 115 of these to max them out. And when you max them out, means you can summon higher level cards. So you need these summoner cards to get a more powerful set to kick ass. Okay. So right now, if you wanted to max this one out, there's only 16,000 left. There's only 127 people willing to part with it. It's going to cost you $28 a card. That's the floor price. Okay. And you need to buy 115 of them to max it out. Now it would burn the other 100. It burns all 115 and makes you one card. So let's look at this is for sale. And those are boxes. Okay. This is maxed out. This guy's asking $16,000, and that's $27 a card is what it comes out to. And it goes like that. But let's just do an individual card. And here's what I mean. You can't buy all 115 at $28. 28, then it goes to 30. This is the floor price. That's the cheapest one somebody's willing to sell it for. Then it goes to 30, then 31, 33. So that set's a lot more valuable than the 1600. And I mean, to put one together, he might have two sets, I don't know, but I would sit on that. Definitely sit on it, because he cannot put it back together for $27 a piece. He just can't. But you get the idea. So anyway, so the market is a big way to make money. Anybody who's collected cards, when you have stuff you don't want, it's so hard to get rid of, because you got to know somebody who wants it, and you got to get online. You got to go paper. You got to go to the flea market. You got to network. Here, the floor, everybody goes to the market. So you just post it and it sells. If you're the lowest price, if you sell it to move. So let's go to peak monsters. You get the peak monsters through the market. They are attached to, just like Monster Market and Card Auction G. I pretty much just use peak monsters. This doesn't mean that these aren't any good. I just haven't gotten over to them yet. I'm kind of been real busy. But it shows me the entire value of my set and what the last it sold at. I go by this price. I could go by this. This is what they're selling at right now. This is the last price they sold at. Okay. Here's my rentals. I'm getting 115 DEC a day. The more cards I get, they go up. I can make more. As the season comes to an end, these skyrocket. I'll be doing about 700 DEC the last day of the season. Okay. I do it every day. People try to rent it for 10 days. If it's a good price, I'll leave it at that. But I can end it, so can they. And so I try to stay with the market as it goes up. So I do daily rentals. So this number fluctuates about $50 at a time. And it's the market's kind of suppressed right now, but when this takes off, this is going to really help me get to my goal. And right now, my rentals have been 28.5, 56% rate of return, which is not bad at all. And I only got 109 cards. So this is the proof that I'm not just making up the numbers, and it's very transparent. Um, Another way is when you battle, you win DEC if you're high enough level. Okay. Another way to make money is splinter shards. You get them when you every day from depending what your power pack is. Let's go to that, and I'll show you. You claim it right here, and then you stake it down here, and they go off of this number right here, or this total number actually. So you can do all sorts of stuff. They have land. You can make money buying and selling land. I don't have any yet. I'm waiting for them to come out with the next plots. If you have card, there's all sorts of ways to make money on right here. So then you can claim every second of the day I'm earning, and you claim it like that, and it will claim it, and then you send it to the staking pool, and that's paying out 31.97% APR right now. Where can you go get that kind of stake it? And there you go. It's that simple. And I stake about 4 times a day because I want to get the staking rewards back into it, because then that makes it even more, and it accelerates. Okay, and it's at four. The market price is 14.5 cents. I was high as a quarter when I joined, and they're going to do this for another 150 days, and I don't know what they're going to do after that. So there's another whole new way to make money. I have not gotten myself into events yet. That's where you can join up and battle. I'm going to learn that and get into it. I just haven't had time. Excuse me. So there's another way to make money. And then you can also join guilds. And guilds are clubs, and they do all sorts of stuff. I haven't gotten into that. I am going to be joining a guild. I just don't have not had the time to do it. So there's that. And then you'll be able to buy and sell potions. You'll be able to buy and sell the packs. You'll be able to. And then the one reason I'm doing all this, how I started it off, was I'm an affiliate marketer. I get paid to promote other people's products. And the way it works is, here's my affiliate program. You can do this too. They give you a link, which I have down below. And if you sign up through that, you can play for free. It doesn't cost anything, but I get if you decide to go to the next step and purchase the spell book, which is basically, it's just an entry fee, and that opens up the money side, making aspect of it. Then I get 5% of that, which ain't a whole lot. And I get 5% of any packs you buy for the rest of your life, which is nice especially if you got deep pockets. But the point I'm trying to make is that, that if that's another way you can build towards whatever your goal is on that. And that this is called affiliate marketing. So what I do is I send this link out on emails to people that have approved that I can send them emails. That's what my website is, ProAdvertisersClub. It's a platform to mail out. It's people who've signed up, who have agreed to receive advertisements. Okay. And the reason they do that is because when they look at other people's advertisements, they get credits from me, or they can buy credits. It's up to them. And then in turn, they get to advertise their stuff. So it's like a trade-off, because anybody knows advertising is very expensive. If you've ever been on Google, okay, it's very expensive. But anyway, that's why I'm doing this. If you appreciate what I'm showing you, please join up underneath me on the link below. I get the credit for it, and you can play for free to see if you're even going to like it. And thank you for watching. And like I said, I'm going to be doing this every day possible. And let's see how far I get. Thank you, and have a nice day.